Hey guys, Sean here, finally back with another guitar lesson. Before we get started, I want to go over a couple formatting changes I've made. Firstly, I've gotten a lot of comments about the speed of the piece, either the full speed not being fast enough or the slow speed being too fast. So from this point forward, I'm going to be playing along in my headphones to Itzhak Perlman's rendition of this piece, which is my personal favorite, and I'll be taking it from 50 up to 100% in 10% increments. Also, if you're interested in acoustic guitars and the building of guitars, please check us out on Instagram at Bresnan_guitars. Thank you everyone for your support and your patience. Enjoy the lesson.